Welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to mine cryptocurrencies with your phone, and this is really an amazing project. It's called WowN. So basically, when you click the link, it should bring you to this page here. The first thing you want to do is connect your wallet. So you click wallet connect, and once you use my link, obviously both of us are going to get more wow. So you see there are different options here, but for me, make sure you already have one of these wallets already on your phone before you do this. So you could have Trust Wallet or MetaMask or even the Wow wallet itself or Wallet Connect. So best option for you is to have either MetaMask or Trust Wallet. That's the best thing you should do. I'm going to use Trust Wallet. I have Trust Wallet on my mobile device. So see, I'm just going to connect to it like this just once, and I just need to plug in. All right, so you see it's that simple, and once you do that, it should bring you here. Come back again, click wallet again, and now you just need to sign, connect. Once you connect, it should connect to it, and all you need to do is sign. I just need to authenticate again, and right now just follow the prompt on the screen. Just tap where it says you should tap. I think that should be it. Tap where it says you should tap. You see, okay, this is the pledge. Okay, click. You're actually not receiving this, it's just a prompt. So just click receive, click confirm. All right, so if you just like any other crypto mining app, every single day just come click this button down here and click here for you to start mining. So right now you started mining the WOW token. I would advise you go online and actually search for their white paper. It's really an amazing project. So there's something else you could do every single day. You could earn more WOW tokens. Click this button here by the left and come here to this box, gift box. You could always use the gift box. I think every 3 hours you could get more WOW token each time you click the gift box. You can also use USDT and get more USDT. Wow, you can see I got 0.9 USDT. So this is really amazing. So go back, and there's also a Wheel of Fortune. You can also use the Wheel of Fortune and get more WOW token. Okay, so you can see you can always use this every 6 hours. Okay, and the Wheel of Fortune every 6 hours, and this gift box every 4 hours. So, and then for you to use this, you need to have up to $1 to spin it. The next time they won't allow you to spin it. You see insufficient balance. If you had $1, they'll allow you to spin and get more USDT. So, and it have a wallet here. So you see this is the wallet. You could trade, you could swap your tokens, you could buy, you could trade, you could send tokens to people. It's just like a regular wallet. So guys, this is really very amazing, and it's a nice project. And if you're looking for your link, I think your link should be somewhere here. Click here. You could invite people to the project and increase how many WOW tokens you earn. Once you click this share button, you should see your invite link there. So you could use that to accumulate more WOW tokens. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and keep earning more cryptocurrencies, because we're approaching the bull market. It's really an opportunity for you to accumulate tokens before that bull market hits. All right, so you can see I'm already mining. A better way for you to do this is just once you've done this on your browser, it's easy for you now to just if you want the app, you could just have the app and go to Play Store and install the app. Okay, so go to Play Store and search for the WOW app. Come here, just search. Stop all these ads. Okay, just come here and search for WowN. This is the app here. So you can just open the app. Come to dApps. Once you come to dApps, if you're accessing the WOW app, just come to WowN. You can see now you're mining. It's that easy. So have fun guys and keep earning. Bye.